It's time to step up your career in the glass and glazing industry. Utilize your prior skills and experiences in glass cutting, processing, and product installation, and achieve a widely acceptable credential through RPL. Recognition of prior learning is a fantastic way to turn your industry experience into a nationally recognized qualification. It lets you become a trade-qualified and in-demand glazier without any study or exams. With over 6,000 employment openings projected in the next 5 years, position yourself in this rapidly expanding field. Establish a solid foundation in the Australian industry. The process is straightforward. First, you'll provide evidence of your work experience and skills. This can include things like job references, work samples, or even a resume detailing your work history. An RPL assessor will review it. If everything checks out, you'll be awarded your desired credential. Get in touch with us to explore your certification options more in detail. Our specialist executive will help you understand and pick the right credentials. Try our free skills check service. Our system will let you know if you are eligible for your certification. We provide the most cost-effective solution with no hidden charge to make your journey easy and swift. Apply today. SkillsWave Global. Get certified, get recognized.